In this video, I'm going to show you how to change background color in Google Sheets. So our goal is to change the whole background color of this entire spreadsheet, not just specific cells or specific columns. So to do this, in the sample spreadsheet, as you can see in your keyboard, simply click Ctrl A. After selecting everything by clicking the Ctrl A, in here on the menu navigation on the tools, you can see the fill color, which is the paint bucket icon in here. Simply click this and you can select the color in here or just customize by adding a specific color on the spreadsheet. So let's say for this video, what we're going to do is we're going to simply select in here. So let's say we're going to use light yellow. And as you can see, the whole spreadsheet has now turned into light yellow. Let's try using green in here. And let's try inputting color blue. And that's about it. That's how to change background color in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And I'll do my best to help you out.